Did you know Mars is on its way to developing a ring system similar to Saturn's? But this won't happen for millions of years. This future transformation is due to Phobos, one of Mars's moons, which is gradually spiraling inward towards the planet. Eventually, Phobos will get so close that Mars's gravitational forces will tear it apart, scattering its fragments into orbit around Mars. These fragments are expected to form a ring, showcasing the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our solar system. Did you know scientists are exploring the possibility of cloning a woolly mammoth, an extinct species last seen on Earth over 4,000 years ago, with the first clone expected to arrive by 2028? This ambitious goal involves using well-preserved DNA from mammoth remains found in permafrost and combining it with the egg cells of modern elephants, the mammoth's closest living relatives. The process, aiming to bring back species from extinction, raises significant ethical, ecological, and technical questions, but also offers a fascinating glimpse into the potential of genetic technology to revive lost wildlife. Did you know extensive research and studies have consistently shown no scientific evidence to support the claim that vaccines cause autism? This misconception originated from a now retracted study published in 1998, which was later found to be fraudulent and based on manipulated data. Multiple large-scale studies across different populations worldwide have since confirmed that there is no link between receiving vaccines and the development of autism spectrum disorders. Vaccines remain a critical tool for preventing diseases and protecting public health. Did you know the Doon Tribe of Mali, Africa, has long fascinated anthropologists with their astronomical knowledge and belief that they originated from the Sirius star system? According to their oral traditions, this knowledge was given to them by the Nomos, amphibious beings from Sirius. The Dogon were aware of Sirius B, a companion star to Sirius, invisible to the naked eye and not photographed until 1970, centuries after the Dogon described it, sparking debates on ancient knowledge and extraterrestrial contact. Did you know grey aliens, often referred to as greys, are a type of extraterrestrial being commonly reported by UFO witnesses and abductees? Characterized by their small bodies, large heads and oversized black eyes, greys have become a prominent symbol in popular culture and alien conspiracy theories. Although there is no scientific evidence to confirm their existence, descriptions of greys have fueled speculation about life on other planets and the possibility of alien visitations to Earth. Did you know the 3 pyramids of Giza in Egypt are remarkably aligned with the stars in the belt of the constellation Orion? This alignment, along with the pyramid's orientation to the cardinal points, has led some researchers to propose that the ancient Egyptians might have built these structures to reflect the heavens, serving both as tombs and as celestial markers. The Orion correlation theory suggests that such an alignment was intentional, aiming to mirror Orion on the ground as it appears in the sky. Did you know that Jupiter, often called a gas giant, lacks a traditional solid surface as we experience on Earth? Its atmosphere is composed mostly of hydrogen and helium, extending deep into the planet and gradually transitioning into a sea of liquid metallic hydrogen due to the immense pressure and temperature inside. This unique state of hydrogen supports Jupiter's magnetic field, the strongest in the solar system after the Sun's. Beneath this turbulent and mysterious exterior, Jupiter is believed to have a core that, while not a solid surface in the terrestrial sense, is composed of heavier elements possibly mixed into a hot, dense, and partially solid state. The exact composition and state of Jupiter's core remain a topic of ongoing research, challenged by the planet's extreme conditions. Did you know that Mars, now a cold and arid planet, once harbored liquid water on its surface? Geological evidence, including river valleys, lake beds, and mineral deposits, suggests that Mars had a liquid ocean covering its northern hemisphere billions of years ago. This ancient ocean might have been as deep as a mile in places, covering about a third of the planet's surface. The presence of liquid water is a key indicator of the potential for life, raising intriguing questions about Mars's habitability in the past. However, due to Mars's thin atmosphere and the planet's cooling over time, this water gradually evaporated or froze, leaving behind the frozen polar caps and subsurface ice we detect today. The exploration of Mars continues to uncover signs of its wetter, warmer past. Did you know that if Earth had a ring system like Saturn's, It would dramatically change our sky and ecosystem. Visible from all parts of the globe, these rings would appear as bright arcs in the sky, larger and more spectacular near the equator and smaller near the poles. They would reflect sunlight, potentially affecting the Earth's climate by cooling certain areas that receive less direct sunlight. Navigation by stars would be different, as the rings would obscure parts of the night sky. Furthermore, Earth's rings could impact satellite orbits and communications due to increased debris. Such a ring system would likely be composed of ice and rock, remnants from a celestial collision or captured material, offering a stunning visual spectacle and a challenge for space travel. Did you know that mining asteroids for their minerals presents a potential opportunity to revolutionize our economy and space exploration capabilities? Asteroids are rich in valuable resources such as water, precious metals like platinum and gold, and rare minerals that are scarce or depleted on Earth. Water extracted from asteroids could be used to sustain life on space missions or converted into hydrogen and oxygen for rocket fuel, significantly reducing the cost of space travel. Meanwhile, the precious metals and minerals could support various industries back on Earth or in constructing space infrastructure. This could lead to the establishment of a space-based economy, where materials harvested in space are used to build and fuel the next generation of spacecraft and space stations, opening up endless possibilities for human expansion into the solar system. Did you know that Albert Einstein's theories of relativity play a crucial role in our daily lives, influencing modern technology and our understanding of the universe? His special theory of relativity, which introduced the famous equation E equals mc squared, underpins the principles of nuclear energy and has applications in medical treatments, such as in PET scans, by utilizing the conversion of mass into energy. Meanwhile, his general theory of relativity, which describes gravity as the curvature of space-time by mass, is essential for the accuracy of GPS systems. Without corrections based on Einstein's work, GPS would be off by several kilometers, affecting navigation, telecommunications, and digital economies globally. Even technologies like the internet and understanding the expansion of the universe rely on principles derived from Einstein's groundbreaking insights. Did you know that the legend of Bigfoot, also known as Sasquatch, a large, hairy, ape-like creature purported to inhabit North American forests, has intrigued both the public and some scientists for decades? Despite numerous eyewitness accounts, footprint casts, and grainy photographs, there is no concrete evidence such as bones, DNA, or clear photos to prove Bigfoot's existence conclusively. Critics argue that most Bigfoot sightings can be attributed to misidentification of known animals, hoaxes, or psychological phenomena like pareidolia. However, some researchers suggest that Bigfoot could be a remnant population of Gigantopithecus, an extinct genus of ape that lived in Asia, which might have migrated to North America via the Bering Land Bridge, sparking ongoing debates about species discovery and the mysteries of our planet's unexplored wilderness. Did you know that the Loch Ness Monster, or Nessie, is a cryptid reputed to inhabit Loch Ness in the Scottish Highlands, captivating the public imagination since the 1930s? Despite extensive searches using sonar and underwater photography, no conclusive evidence has been found to prove Nessie's existence. Many scientists believe that sightings of the Loch Ness Monster can be attributed to misidentifications of known animals or phenomena, such as swimming deer, otters, or floating logs. Additionally, the loch's murky waters, which limit visibility, contribute to the mystery. Some theories suggest Nessie could be a plesiosaur, a prehistoric marine reptile, although this is widely disputed due to the cold water temperature of Loch Ness and the lack of fossil evidence indicating plesiosaurs survived past the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event. Did you know that the concept of the firmament, an ancient belief in a solid dome or vault covering the Earth, originates from the cosmologies of many early civilizations, including the Mesopotamians, Egyptians, and Hebrews? This idea was based on observational interpretations of the sky and celestial bodies. The firmament was thought to separate the heavens from the Earth and was depicted as a solid, transparent dome through which the sun, moon, and stars moved. With the advent of modern astronomy and the understanding of the universe's vastness and the Earth's place within it, the concept of a physical firmament was debunked. The term now serves as a historical reference to humanity's early attempts to explain the structure of the universe before the development of scientific methods and knowledge about space. Did you know that ice volcanoes, also known as cryovolcanoes, are fascinating geological formations found on icy celestial bodies, such as moons and dwarf planets within our solar system? Unlike terrestrial volcanoes that erupt molten rock, cryovolcanoes spew out volatile substances like water, methane, or ammonia in a liquid or gaseous state, which then freeze on the surface. These eruptions are driven by internal heat, often from tidal forces exerted by a planet's gravity. Notable examples of bodies with cryovolcanic activity include Enceladus, a moon of Saturn, and Pluto. The discovery of ice volcanoes has significant implications for astrobiology, suggesting that these worlds may harbor subsurface oceans, which could potentially be environments conducive to life. Did you know that Neptune, the 8th planet from the Sun, was the first planet to be discovered through mathematical prediction rather than empirical observation? In the 19th century, irregularities in Uranus's orbit led astronomers to theorize the presence of another, father planet, exerting gravitational influence. In 1846, French mathematician Urbain Le Verrier calculated the expected position of this unknown planet, and his predictions were communicated to Johann Gottfried Galle at the Berlin Observatory. Galle observed Neptune on September 23, 1846, near the position Le Verrier had predicted, marking a monumental moment in astronomy. This discovery demonstrated the power of Newton's laws of motion and universal gravitation, showcasing the ability of mathematics to uncover the mysteries of the universe beyond the reach of the immediate senses.